Hi, this is a test video for version 3, the object-oriented one. I have opened the Java files and we can run the main method. Okay, the randomly chosen phrase is here. Actually, you can see that it didn't comment out this line of code, so it printed out the phrase. When it comes to the real user, it should be deleted, but now I think with the print code, the explanation will be clearer and easier. You can see that the current hidden code has been generated correctly. All the asterisks, here's all the asterisks replace letters, and all the spaces are left there. I have missed 0 times and the previous misses are empty because I haven't entered a guess. It tells me to enter a guess, so I will first try something that is not a letter. For instance, a comma. Okay, the program tells me I should enter a letter. The current hidden code and the missed times, the previous misses are all remains the same. I'm not penalized, so it's correct. And maybe the user, he or she doesn't enter anything, just click enter or return and get the same reaction. There's not an error. And the user can also enter something like a word, more than one letter, for instance, rose. Okay, the same reaction tells me I should enter a letter. So this part works correctly. Then I will try something that is not a match. For instance, Z. At first, at the main method, I set the misses time in total to be 8, which means that when the user misses 8 times, he or she will automatically lose the game. So here you can see when I enter a letter that is not in the phrase, I was penalized. And I only have 7 chances left. The previous misses are kept here. And then I will enter something correctly. For instance, T. Okay, something magic happens. You can see I enter a lowercase t, but all the uppercase t and lowercase t in the phrase are identified, and in the corresponding position of the hidden phrase, they are updated here. So my program is actually case insensitive. And then I will try another correct one, like U. Okay, it works correct. And then I will try something that is a repeated guess, which means that I have guessed it before, right? First, I will try a previous guess that is correct. For instance, U. You can see that it gives me a notification about this letter has been guessed, but I'm not penalized, like the instruction suggests. And if I enter uppercase U, get the same reaction. I haven't entered U, right? I have only entered the lowercase u. I haven't entered the uppercase U, but the case insensitive works here. Next, I will try a previously guessed lowercase one. Previously guessed lowercase one, an incorrect one. For instance, Z. Okay, it works correctly, and for the uppercase Z, also works correctly. So the part for checking and avoiding duplicate letters works fine. and the case insensitive has been implemented correctly. Now I will guess a lot of correct letters. I think the first one might be turned, so R and N. And the second one may be your. This word may be into. And want. S. M. Okay, you can see now the current hidden code is turn your wants into wisdom. There's no asterisk inside, so the program ends automatically and tells me that I win. Okay, I win. Now I will try the program, run it again, and in this time I will try something that is more prone to be an incorrect letter, and I will try to see if the program terminates and tells me I lost the game correctly when I enter 8 misses. Okay, here I will enter C, it is correct, and Z, it is not correct, and maybe K, not correct, J, not correct, X, not correct, I, not correct. Let me see here. Every time I enter an incorrect letter, the number here decreased by 1. 76543. And the number here misses time increased by 1. Every time I enter a unmatched letter, I was penalized. It is correct. And I will try more unmatching letters. For instance, D. Oh, sorry, it's correct. W is correct. Y is incorrect. Okay. P and Q. I enter 8 misses here. 7 and plus 1. And it tells me I lose the game. Okay, I lose the game. I have 0 chances left. The program works correctly.